Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize your Fidelity 401k rollover, complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize your Fidelity 401k rollover, start by gathering necessary information. Ensure you have your current 401k plan details handy. Visit the Fidelity website or open the Fidelity mobile app. Log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the Accounts section of the dashboard. Select Retirement Accounts from the options available. Look for the option labeled Rollovers or Transfer. Click on the Request a Rollover or Initiate Transfer button. Read through the instructions provided on the rollover page. You may need to confirm your identity via two-factor authentication. Select the type of account you wish to roll over to. Enter the amount you plan to roll over, either fully or partially. If it's a partial rollover, make sure you specify the exact amount. Choose the source of your rollover, which is your current 401k plan. Follow the prompts to provide information about your current 401k provider. You may need to submit documentation confirming your account details. Review the terms and conditions related to the rollover process. Confirm your rollover request and submit it for processing. Keep a record of any confirmation numbers or emails you receive. Monitor your Fidelity account for updates on your rollover status. If you have questions, do not hesitate to contact Fidelity customer support. Be patient, as the rollover process may take several days to complete. Check back frequently to ensure everything is processed smoothly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.